it's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Byers, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. Hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Another vehicle check that you want to do is a Pmcs, Preventive Maintenance Check Service. This is a little more extensive than the safety check I talked about in the previous video. And this one is like you want to do once a week, every weekend. You know, you want to check all the things that we were checking in the first video. You know, your tires, brakes, your windshield wipers, your lights, all that. Plus, you want to look in the engine compartment now. You go a little deeper, get a little more intense. You know, you want to look at your oil level, your antifreeze level, your transmission oil level. You want to look at your windshield wiper fluid level. You know, you want to check all these levels. Also the battery, if it's clean, because batteries tend to corrode, especially in the wintertime. So make sure there's no corrosion around the terminal point on the battery. And also your air filter. You want to check those out. Making sure they're clean, you're not dirty. You know, doing that weekly. It'll make sure that your vehicle is performing at the optimum condition for it to run smoothly for you and last a long time. So we're going to go through that in this video, checking out all those levels really quick. Something you can do, you know, on a weekend for half an hour to an hour, and you'll know that your vehicle is safe to operate and it's going to last you a long time and be safe for your family. So here we go. Watch the rest of the video. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.
More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man,